How to play CS2 on Faceit. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can play CS2 game using the Faceit official website. But for you to be able to get started, make sure that you already have CS2 installed on your Steam account because we're going to be needing that. So if you don't have an account yet with Faceit, all you have to do is to log in with your Steam account. Now once you're here, all you have to do next is to click display option. And then since this is going to be your first time, you're going to have to connect CS2 into your Faceit first. Just simply choose on connect game. And then whatever game that you have on your Steam account, you should be able to have here. Now once you click on connect Steam, you should be able to play or to find match on Counter-Strike 2 using Faceit. And that's basically it. That's how you play CS2 on Faceit.